Dear children, in this video we are going to see 10th standard science unit 10 types of chemical reactions part 2. Already we discussed chemical reactions introduction, types of chemical reactions in the part 1 video. First we move to factors influencing the rate of a reaction. The rate of a reaction can be changed. For example, iron gets rusted faster in an acid than in water. Important factors that affect the rate of a reaction are concentration of the reactants, temperature, nature of the reactants, catalyst, surface area of the reactants, and pressure. Number 1. Nature of the reactants. The reaction of sodium with the hydrochloric acid is faster than that with the acetic acid. Hydrochloric acid is a stronger acid than acetic acid and thus more reactive. So the nature of the reactants influence the reaction rate. Number 2. Concentration of the reactants. Changing the amount of the reactants also increases the reaction rate. The amount of the substance present in a certain volume of the solution is called concentration. More the concentration, more particles per volume exit in it and hence faster the reaction. Granulated zinc reacts faster with 2 molar hydrochloric acid than 1 molar hydrochloric acid. Number 3. Temperature. According to kinetic theory, as the temperature increases, the particles in a substance move about more quickly. As the temperature increases, the number of collision increases as well as the energy of the collisions. So temperature has a big effect on the rate of reaction. For every 10 degrees Celsius increase, the rate approximately doubles. So higher temperature is equal to faster reaction. Number 4. Catalyst. A catalyst is a substance which increases the reaction rate without being consumed in the reaction. In certain reactions, adding a substance as catalyst speeds up the reaction. Simply, the catalyst which increases the rate of chemical reaction is called positive catalyst and the phenomenon is known as positive catalysis. For example, potassium chloride, it gives potassium chloride and oxygen in the presence of manganese dioxide. In this reaction, manganese dioxide acts as a catalyst. And the last one is surface area of the reactants. When solid reactants are involved in a reaction, their powdered form reacts more readily. For example, powdered calcium carbonate reacts more readily with the hydrochloric acid than marble chips because powdering of the reactants increases surface area and more energy is available on collision of the reactant particles. Thus the reaction rate is increased. Next we move to state of equilibrium. In a reversible reaction, both forward and backward reactions takes place simultaneously. When the rate of the forward reaction becomes equal to the rate of backward reaction, then no more product is formed. This stage of the reaction is called equilibrium state. So a chemical equilibrium, it is state of a reversible chemical reaction in which no change in the amount of reactants and the products takes place. At equilibrium, a rate of forward reaction is equal to a rate of backward reaction. Next we move to characteristics of equilibrium. The rate of forward reaction is equal to the rate of backward reaction. Equilibrium is a dynamic in nature because both the forward and backward reactions continue to occur even though it appears static externally. The properties such as pressure, concentration, density, color, etc. remain unchanged with the time. A catalyst does not alter the state of equilibrium. It only speeds up the attainment of equilibrium. Next we move to ionic product of water. Although pure water is often considered as a non-conductor of electricity, precise measurements show that it conducts electricity to a little extent. This conductivity of water has resulted from the self-ionization of water. Self-ionization or auto-ionization is a reaction in which two like molecules react to give ions. In the process of ionization of water, a proton from one water molecule is transferred to another water molecule, leaving behind an OH minus ion. The product of the concentration of the hydronium ion and the hydroxyl ion is called ionic product of water. It is denoted as Kw. Kw or Kc is equal to H plus into OH minus divided by H2O. Next we move to pH scale. The pH scale is a measure of how acidic or basic a solution is. pH is calculated by taking the negative log of the concentration of hydrogen ions in an aqueous solution. Solutions with the lower concentration of hydrogen ions have higher pH and are considered basic. pH of 7 is neutral. At room temperature, pure water has a pH of 7. Solutions with the higher concentration of hydrogen ions have lower pH and are considered acidic. The pH of a solution can be determined by using a universal indicator. It contains a mixture of dyes. It comes in the form of a solution or a pH paper. A more common method of measuring pH in a school laboratory is by using the pH paper. A pH paper contains a mixture of indicators. It shows a specific color at a given pH. A color guide is provided with the bottle of the indicator or the strips of the paper impregnated with it, which are called pH paper strips. The test solution is tested with the drop of the universal indicator or a drop of the test solution is put on the pH paper. The color of the solution on the pH paper is compared with the color of the chart and the pH value is read from it. The pH value thus obtained are only approximate values. Next we move to role of pH in everyday life. Number 1. Our body pH range is 7 to 7.8. Remarks, it works. Living organism, the pH range is narrow range, can survive in this narrow range. Number 3. Blood. It contains 7.35 to 7.45 pH. Decrease or increase in this range leads to disease. Stomach fluid HCl, pH range is 2 for digesting purpose. Saliva, pH range is 6.5 to 7.5. It is used for the digesting of food. If falls below 5.5, white enamel coating of teeth, that is calcium phosphate, get weathered. Sixth point, toothpaste, pH range is the basic, can neutralize the excess acid to prevent tooth decay. 7. Agriculture, alkaline soil, citrus fruits. Acidic soil, rice. Neutral soil, sugarcane. Number 8. Rainwater. 7. Neutral. Less than 7. Polluted oxides of SN. Acid rain. Survival of aquatic life becomes difficult.